I'm Voron Trident, and we're working on the Trident today, specifically converting it to all-wheel drive. Now, I have the first front left motor installed, and I want to discuss with you and show you wiring issues and the route we're going to take. On the 2.4, we actually have a gap between the extrusion and the frame, so we're able to snake the wires through, go around and come down the back. With the Trident, that's not the case because the gantry extrusion is actually mounted to the frame, which presents a problem. So we can't go on the outside because the panel won't quite fit right. And we don't want to go down because there's literally no room in between the motor gears. So the easiest solution is to print 4 of those because I need to replace that piece anyway. With the pop blue, and we're going to go up behind the LEDs if we can and through here and snake it down through that, which means extending this wire probably a good 2 feet or so, maybe less. I don't know, I need to measure it. If I do cut and extend it, it's going to be hidden under this frame rail, so you don't really see it anyway. The biggest problem with this is there is a nut back there, so these guys are going to have to change as well for, to hide the wire, which sucks a little bit, but with every challenge is a possibility. So we will play with the LEDs and see where we're going to go with it and how we're going to make things function. Next video with the update of the Trident, I will definitely show you what we did, how we did it, and why we did it to get that wiring going from the front to the back. Until that's figured out, it really doesn't make any sense to progress with this build until that is completed and adjusted. So I'll definitely let you guys know what I come up with. If I create something custom, I'll make sure it's on my printables available for download. And if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by and checking out the all-wheel drive progress little by little as we chip away at it with Voron modder style updates. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.